Fantastic. Oh, you know what I hear more than the words you say themselves? The vibration, your soul and your spirit being born into the word you say. I feel a vibrational signal from your soul. No matter what the word means, I hearing the sound. Whether there's tension, anxiety, happiness, relaxedness, empowerment, disempowerment. Isn't it amazing how much you can hear in the sound of someone's voice? Do you ever find yourselves reading that? Sensing it?
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
It is important. There is a meaning even more important than the word that is being spoken in the sound of it. With the that. And we have a beautiful child here to example that today. Purity of sound in the child.